How to fix I can't search on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to help you out with a common issue. What to do if you can't search on TikTok. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So first, let's open up the TikTok app and then go to your profile icon and tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right and then tap on settings and privacy and then scroll down and there you'll find log out option. Sometimes logging out and logging back in solves a lot of issues. However, if that doesn't work, then what you can do is you can go to your settings, then go to general, then tap on iPhone storage, there find TikTok and then tap on offload app. So this will reset the system files without deleting your drafts or personal data. And once it's done, just reinstall TikTok and you should be good to go. If all of this doesn't work, then you can swipe down the notification bar and then just tap on the power button and restart your device. I hope this quick guide helps to get back to searching on TikTok. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.